Hello friends, now we are going to see observation number 3. For the flow of zero sequence current, return path through ground is compulsory. We are going to see this sentence is in detail. So if our vectors are unbalanced means IR, IY and IB are not symmetrical, then we can directly write the value of IN is equal to IR plus IY plus IB. You can see at the generator terminal here IN value will be equal to IR plus IY plus IB. So what we can do here is IR we can break into IR naught plus IR1 plus IR2 plus IY we can break IY naught plus IY1 plus IY2 plus IB naught plus IB1 plus IB2 basically. So we can also write the value of IN is equal to these three IR naught, IY naught, IB naught. We know that IR naught is equal to IY naught is equal to IB naught. So we can write that 3 into IR naught. We have discussed plus IR1, IY1 plus IB1. So this value will be 0. Now we can calculate here IR1 plus IY1 plus IB1. What we can write? IR1, we can write IR1 plus alpha square into IR1 plus alpha into IR1. So if we take IR1 comma 1 plus alpha square, so this will become 0. So IR1 plus IY1 plus IB1 will be equal to 0. In the same way IR2 and IY2 and IB2 will be equal to 0. So simply what we found that IN is equal to 3 into IR naught. What is the language meaning of this IN is equal to 3 R naught means the neutral current only consists zero sequence current. So we can draw the sequence network independently with the load, then we will understand this observation. So if we will draw the positive sequence network, it will look like this. Later on we will discuss about the voltage development, whether it is developing in positive sequence network or negative sequence network or zero sequence network. We will study later, but I am giving the example to understand this particular concept. So if we will draw the positive sequence network like this, then here it will be I and 1 mean positive component of neutral will be equal to 0, and here it will be IR1, here it will be IY1 and here it will be IB1. We also know that IN1 is equal to IR1 plus IY1 plus IB1 is equal to 0. So here it will also be 0, means this current will also be 0 ampere. So whether neutral is connected or not, there will be no effect on IR1 and IY1 and IB1. We can see in positive sequence component. The same way we can see for the negative sequence. If we draw the negative sequence, then the voltage will not develop here and the circuit will look like this. I have drawn here the exact circuit. I am just only drawing the rough for the negative sequence network. So here the value of IN2 will also be 0, and here it will be IR2, here it will be IY2 and here it will be IB2. Whether here it is neutral is connected or not, there will be no effect on negative sequence network. So there is no effect of neutral in positive sequence network and negative sequence network. Now I am going to discuss on the zero sequence network. So guys, while designing the zero sequence network, we can clearly see that the value of IN is equal to 3 IR naught, means IN naught is equal to 3 into IR naught, and this has been gone to IR naught, IY naught is also IR naught, IB naught is equal to IR naught, so IN naught has been divided to IR naught, IY naught and IB naught. IN naught is equal to 3 into IR naught, we know. So there is one point, if there is not any return path, then this IR naught, IR naught, IR naught means IR naught, IY naught, IB naught, where it will be go. So if we will be having one return path, then it can flow like this will be also 3 into IR naught, and if the return path is not available, so there is no possibility of zero sequence current flow. You can easily see from here. So the observation is, for the flow of zero sequence current, return path through ground is compulsory. So now I am going to conclude few points. For flow of positive and negative sequence current, return path through ground is not required, as I have mentioned. And the second point is, the value of Zn will not affect the value of positive and negative sequence current. The third point is, for the flow of zero sequence current, return path through ground is necessary. Next point is, the value of Xn will affect the value of IR naught, as I have mentioned presently in this diagram. The next point is, neutral current consists of only zero sequence current. IN is equal to 3 into IR naught. I derived that. So IN is equal to 3 into IR naught. So here this is all about this observation number 3.